In this video, we will discuss about difference between hard drive and flash drive. Hard drive is a type of electromechanical storage device. Flash drive is a type of semiconductor storage device. Hard drive is also known as hard disk drive, HDD, or hard disk, fixed disk. Flash drive is also known as USB drive. Hard drive stores data in spinning disks with the help of read or write head. Flash drive stores data in cells of a semiconductor memory chip. Hard drives are larger in size. Flash drives are smaller in size. Hard drives are heavier in weight. Flash drives are light in weight. Hard drives are less expensive. Flash drives are more expensive than hard drives. Hard drives are slower. Flash drives are faster as compared to hard drives. Hard drives consume more power. Flash drives consume comparatively less power. Hard drives come in relatively high storage capacity. Flash drives have smaller memory capacity than hard drives. Hard drives have shorter lifespan. Flash drives have longer lifespan. Hard drives are less durable than flash drives. Flash drives are more durable than hard drives. Hard drives are non-portable storage drives. Flash drives are portable. Hard drives are less secure to malicious programs like virus. Flash drives offers enhanced security measured like data encryption, etc. Hard drive requires a power source to trigger its drive circuit. Flash drives does not require additional power source. Hard drives are best suited for large volume data storage in computers. Flash drives are used for both data storage and data transfer from one computer to another.